Yo! What is up, people? Today we'll be making an emotional reggaeton beat that will make all the Latin women chase after you. So if you're someone who's been on a bit of a dry spell lately, then today is your lucky day. So listen carefully, and I hope you've cleaned your house, because after this tutorial you'll be the new popular kid on the block. Trust me, I'm a professional and I've had plenty of Latin women in my life.
Well, we're building up now to the final of the men's 100 metres. Oh, they're away, and Gatling got away brilliantly, and he's ahead of the field at the moment, and Bolt going very, and here comes Usain Bolt! Usain Bolt storming through, he takes it again, Blake gets the...
Time to make some emo chords. Compressor, sound goodizer, EQ, and micro shift. Sound goodizer. Reggaeton usually doesn't require a ton of instrumentation, so let's start working on some fire drums that can give anyone PTSD. Everything's coming along nicely, but we need some percussion to help fill out the drums. Because everyone knows that if your drums ain't hitting, then you might as well just retire from this shit. Time for some bass. Compressor, EQ, more EQ, and some saturation. One more bass for variation. Compressor, EQ. We're almost there. Let's first hear how the chords and drums sound playing together before we drop some sweet vocals and wrap this shit up.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Oh yes baby, that is what I like. All we need now are some sweet reggaeton vocals that will go well with the beat. After a bit of research, I ended up finding these vocals.
No creo en el destino, pero estoy aquí, guiada por un hilo hacia ti. No me importa nada si lo paso bien, estoy interesada y tú también.
For those of you wondering where I got these super hot fire vocals from, I got them from an amazing vocalist named Ashesndreams. I highly recommend you check her out if you're interested in getting some fire vocals. Okay, now that we have our vocals, let's add some effects, compressor, and some delay.
No creo en el destino, pero estoy aquí, guiada por un hilo hacia ti. No me importa nada.
Time to work on some vocal chops, because why not?
No pienses, no pienses,
Compressor, delay, and some sidechain.
no pienses, no pienses. No creo en el destino, pero estoy aquí, guiada